Hello everybody, my name is Jakub and welcome back to Solar Smash. Today we will be seeing this big system I made, and it has the biggest Stevenson 3000-3000, and here is the biggest gas giant ever, GGG. It's a bit corrupted. There's 10 circles around. That's the entire year. If I make it one day. One day. This is one day. Yeah. One day. Okay. And so I'll make this sun explode. And how did I do that? Aha! Today we're going to explode it. Add as much planets as we can first. See if any of them survive. Let's add Jupiter. And I'm saying that is way smaller. See, look. Here's Jupiter and here's GGG. Let's add one inside Jupiter. Let's add the Jupiter inside of GGG. Saturn next. Anyway, I'm exploring loads of Saturns and wings. A Neptune too. A Mercury. Earth. Good measurement. Jupiter again. Mars. Venus. Pluto. That's from other systems. TRAPPIST-1b. TRAPPIST-b. What's it called? TRAPPIST-c. TRAPPIST-d. I'll see you now when I get all of them in. Okay, everybody, I've got them all in. And I already had Pluto in the system. Look how many of them are there. Boreas at the last planet. And now we're going to make this giant sun explode. Stevenson 3000? Wait, where's the supernova? I do not see the supernova. Anyway. Let's get rid of some planets. Where is it? It must have a giant supernova, I think. Zooming out. See how big. I have no idea what it is. I guess that's covered. So another one said, let's do a solar system and then we'll make the smallest star and put Jupiter to it and also do GGG and then let's see the compounds. Okay, let's do it from the smallest we can see in the solar system. So look, we'll have this empty system. Right now, oh my, let's restart it. Okay, here we have it. Let's turn this up. Yeah, it's good enough. And let's see. Let's turn this into a red dwarf. I am a red dwarf. And let's put a planet right here. Oh my, planets are so big. The planet's gonna be bigger than the entire sun now. Let's move it closer to the sun. Okay, let's switch back. Mercury is nowhere compared to the sun. Mercury is nowhere compared. Get out. I'm just gonna make it orbit. And then, now if we go closer to the sun, let's place the next planet. Venus. Still nothing compared to Mercury. Of course, like, Venus is even hotter. Venus is actually even hotter than the original Venus. Earth. You see how Earth is doing. Earth is still nowhere. Let's try Mars. Mars still nowhere. Now let's try big planets. We're going on to the big planets. Jupiter. This is Jupiter's star. Oh my goodness. Jupiter's bigger than the entire sun. Now, it proved that Jupiter is bigger than a red. Okay, let's restart the simulation and try this new thing. So another one said, we should do this, make this smaller. But let's get back to 4000 dwarf, and then we place all the other planets. Okay, so I placed Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, and they all just combined it with the sun. How big is Neptune compared to this? Okay, let's restart the system. Let's do the solar system. Let's just wait for that. Okay, so we're back in the solar system. I'm gonna make this one 3,000. The big one. It stretches out all the way to Mars. It's swallowed there, so it means all life on Earth is completely dead. I don't know why he puts it on here. Mars is so close to here that it's burning. You can see all that thing. Look, Mars is even redder and rougher than before. Let's make it so that it has it's been completely just combined it. And if I stretch this out, stretch it out. And this is the fast speed. It takes up everything in the solar system. It's just taken out everything in the sun. And let's make it explode. Pause time. Let's pause the time. And do you want to see the supernova? There is no supernova. But, oh my. The supernova must be so big that it's covering up everything. I can't even zoom out that much to see the supernova. No, we can't see it. Maybe let's destroy a small star. See, the sun is gone from the place it was originally. Let's restart it in the solar system. Okay, so here's the sun. Yeah. Let's turn this into 2400. A small red dwarf. This is our last one for today. Exploding. How is it not supernova? Let's try this again, but in the empty system. Okay, so let's turn this into small. And now let's explode it. Here's the supernova. And 4 times speed. Okay, now let's explode the sun. Okay, let's explode the sun. As a big giant. Oh my goodness, bye everybody, but that was big. Wow.